With a bunch of advisories and warnings. They've just upgraded that lake effect watch that had been in effect, and I'll run through this here for you in a second. But one thing is for certain about this is going to be that very typical early season lake effect event with a very heavy wet snow that comes down across the area. But there's some questions as to the timing of this band and where it's going to be at what particular time during the day tomorrow. As we head out to the webcam shot from the Dent building in Amherst right now, some fair weather cumulus clouds in the sky, those cotton ball clouds, and they're not going to be producing any precip across the area this afternoon, so at least we don't have to worry about that. Now, the Lake Snow Watch, back to that, has now been upgraded to a lake snow warning for Niagara, Northern Erie, and Genesee counties beginning at 10 p.m. this evening until 6 p.m. Friday. Also, for Orleans County, a lake effect snow warning has been issued beginning at 10 p.m. this evening through 6 p.m. Friday, and a lake effect snow advisory has been issued for Wyoming and Southern Erie County beginning at 1 p.m. Friday until midnight Friday night, and for Chautauqua, Cattaraugus counties, that will also be a lake snow advisory beginning at 4 Friday afternoon through 6 a.m. on Saturday. So I hope you got that all straight. Let's take a look now at the situation on the satellite and radar picture. We're looking at some decent clearing across the area for a while this afternoon before the clouds start to form across the area tonight as that cold air heads our way. Carlton Nemec sent this great shot in from Gasport. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some white dots on the rooftop here. There were a few flurries around early this morning, but the clouds have cleared out pretty nicely for us, at least for this afternoon. But as colder air sweeps across Lake Erie tonight, this is going to be the lake effect snow. It will form in the pre-dawn hours from the city into the northern suburbs, including Tonawanda, Amherst, and Clarence, and Newstead. And I think, at least based on the latest data, that it may actually work a little bit further northward, maybe focusing on southern Niagara and western Orleans County for a while, for several hours tomorrow morning in extreme northern Erie County. That would kind of get the south towns off the hook, at least for a bit early tomorrow morning. Now, everyone's going to see at least some accumulating snow, and travel definitely will be slowed by this event across the region tomorrow. But during the afternoon, the winds shift. That lake snow band will work south through the metro, including through the south towns, and settle down the ski country south of the city and the southern tier for tomorrow night. Some of that will die out by Saturday morning as some snow shower activity in that direction. Your high temps across the area this afternoon, 37 from the Falls, and thereabouts the same at Amherst and Clarence. Batavia, you'll peak around 37, 36 at Warsaw. By the time you get down to the PA line this afternoon, readings will be a little chillier down here, probably some low 30s at Wellsville and Olean. Jamestown, your forecast high 35 and about 37 at Hamburg, Orchard Park, and West Seneca this afternoon. Hey, that's where we're at right now. At the airport, 37 at Buffalo and the Falls, chillier at Jamestown, 28, and a 33 down here at Wellsville. Wind chill, definitely a factor, all down to the 20s. In fact, it feels like 19 at Jamestown presently. Here's your sunset time. It's coming up at 4:40 this afternoon, and for the rest of this afternoon, not bad. Mostly to partly sunny, a brisk wind chill, the high 34 to 38. For tonight, look for lake snow to develop in the pre-dawn hours from the city into the northern suburbs and extreme southern Niagara, about 1 to 3 inches by morning. Elsewhere, chance of snow showers 23 to 30. Tomorrow, look for the lake snow in southern Niagara, western Orleans counties in the morning hours to shift southward through the metro during the afternoon. If the band moves quickly, that could be a limiting factor to accumulations. I'm figuring on 3 to 5 inches, snow showers elsewhere, 33 to 37. And then getting into Saturday, partly sunny to mostly sunny, lake snow showers weakening in the ski country in the morning, 28 to 32. Looking good for Sunday, back to the sunshine at about 38. Overall, most spots in the metro, southern Niagara County, I'm figuring about 4 to 8 inches total. Don will be in with another update this evening.